It's Friday morning. We are at Botniaring and it's test day before the Time Attack race in Finland here. And sun is shining and we are preparing the car for the test. Let's go and have a look. Car is here, ready after the Alastaro track record. Henry is preparing tires here. So we are using nitrogen as a gas, so we need to purge the air out and fill them with nitrogen. And then Sami is doing homework. This was the track record for roofed cars, I think, not the overall track record. So today or tomorrow we need to do the total
records. Yes.
This was 1:32.9. I think that record is 1:32 something.
Yeah.
And the unofficial record is 1:27.5 by a LMP3 car. But today we are also driving the short track, so we are having a shortcut from here.
Paljon se rataennätys on?
Sä ajelit.
1:02.
Niinhän mä pyysin.
Niin.
1:04 se taisi olla. So the first practice session or test session is done. We used the same tires as Alastaro, so old tires, and it's rather cold outside. Sami managed to do a pretty good time. The track record here is for the short track is 1:04.2. We did 1:02.3 now, so about 2 seconds faster than the overall track record. Decent start. So yeah, this is how we debrief the driver. We write here what he feels, and then we check the data if he's telling the truth or not. Sometimes not. And then we tune the car accordingly.
on siinä, 128.
So it's a race day, Saturday here at Botniaring, and mildly moist or very wet actually. So no track records today, it seems, because it's really wet out there. Well, what do you think, Sami?
Very slippery.
Qualification 1 is done. Very tight. We are alone in our class and Tomppa is alone in his class, so very tight racing here today. Yeah, it's qualification 2 now. Track is still very wet. It's a little bit drier than before, so we are expecting improvements because of the weather here. We are using these sessions because there's no track records coming, so we are using these sessions to test the ABS and traction control and then gear shift parameters, and now it looks and sounds much better than before. Yeah, the session is about to end, so we'll be in soon and we'll check the data, and then it's super lap in an hour or so. Super lap. Sami just went to the track. We are a little bit ahead of schedule, so it was a short call for us, but we were prepared. So track is still wet. It's not raining at the moment, so the condition is as good as it gets for us today. Sami is just on the warm-up lap, and it's all done for this Finnish season. This is it, last lap of the Finnish season, last super lap for us, starting right now.